Yes, dude.
Oh, say a little louder.
Someone is looking at us. What's the next word?
Who is looking at us?
Monster? No. It is a weedle. A weedle is weeding us. How is the weedle weeding us? The weedle is weeding these woo bubbles. We are in a book. We are in a book. That is so cool. We are in a book. We are being read. We are being read. What?
Oh.
I
have a
good idea. Woo-hoo. What?
I can make the reader.
Is this really low?
Nope.
Here.
I can make the reader say a word. Are you not comfortable?
No.